Hi everyone, today we'll see how to draw this diagram in charcoal in a very easy way. First draw the basic outline with the charcoal pencil. Also draw hair with the same pencil. I am going to use graphite powder for skin. I have used brush to apply powder and used a tissue to blend it. Blending with tissue gives more smooth finish. Use pencil in the areas where more detailing is required. With a kneaded eraser, start erasing the highlight areas. These are the areas like the tip of the nose, cheeks and wherever the light is reflecting. You can use mono eraser for smaller or thinner areas. Use it for drawing the highlights of the hair. Now the face part is finished. Let's move to the rest of the drawing. Repeat the same process. Draw the outline with the charcoal pencil and start filling it with the powder. Wherever darker shade is required, take more quantity of powder. Make sure to give details with the charcoal pencil. For areas of lighter tones, simply use a kneaded eraser. Just take care that you blend well and the margins of the lighter and darker areas should not be seen. For the goat in this drawing, I am using graphite only and I am not using charcoal. I am using 4B mechanical pencil for outlining and I am filling inside with a light tone because I don't want to leave it white. Moreover, we need to add highlights for this also later. Now going to the other hand, for this also we will follow the same technique. Instead of charcoal powder, if you want to use charcoal pencil, you can use it, but it will take more time. So I prefer using charcoal powder itself. Use a charcoal pencil to give the remaining details. After this, we will move to the background. First, using a brush, I will draw the background near the margins of the main diagram. This will prevent the excess powder from entering the main diagram. I am using a tissue to spread the charcoal powder in the background. In this drawing, the top page is having the darker shade and the lower page is having the lighter shade. So I am using the powder accordingly. More powder for darker areas and less powder for lighter areas. Be careful near the margins. With the tissue, I am blending the dark and light areas smoothly. Tissue blending gives smooth results. After background, we will again move to the main diagram. I am using the charcoal pencil and drawing the stray hair. Draw all the extra strands of hair into the background. With mono eraser, I am giving highlights to the hair. Now for the animal skin, I am using mono eraser and drawing small lines. These short lines at the border of skin will give the realistic fur effect. After finishing with the goat, we will use the same mono eraser and give the highlights wherever required on the face of the girl, especially eyes and the teeth. Now goat and the face of the girl is finished. Let's come to her dress. After drawing the rough outline, I am using charcoal powder for dress also. Using a brush to draw the creases of the dress and then using tissue to blend it all. After that, I am using the charcoal pencil to draw the darker areas. After drawing the folds with pencil, I am using kneaded eraser in between the folds for a natural look. Now at the borders of the lamb's legs, I am using pencil and mono eraser as small strokes for realistic effect. Using mono eraser at the borders of the dress. I am giving pattern for the dress. For this, I am using mono eraser and erasing in circular motions as small dots. With this method, we have finished the dress part. I am using the mono eraser to give the final highlights wherever required. For highlights of face, I am using kneaded eraser. Just give a final check if everything is proper and we haven't missed anything. Now the main diagram is finished. For background, I would like to give some blurred effect. For this, I am taking kneaded eraser, rounding up its tip and I am pressing it over the background in a rounded fashion. This is creating some blurred effect. And it's done. The drawing is ready. Please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching.